Today, I'm thrilled to share one of my all-time favorite gardening secrets, a remarkable liquid fertilizer that's packed with essential nutrients. It's incredibly simple to make, and the best part is, you probably already have everything you need right in your garden. Your plants are going to absolutely love this. Stick around, and I'll guide you through the process of creating this powerful concoction that will have your garden flourishing like never before. Before we dive into making this fantastic liquid fertilizer, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I have a ton of easy gardening tips to share, and you won't want to miss out. Now, let's get started. First up, you need to gather a mix of weeds from your garden or any other place you can find them. The more variety you have, the better. Different weeds offer different nutrients for your plants. Some are packed with nitrogen, others with potassium, and some provide essential trace minerals. By using a diverse mix, you're giving your plants a comprehensive nutrient boost. Once you've gathered your weeds, chop them into smaller pieces to help them decompose faster in the water. Next, grab a net-like cloth. An old pillowcase or a mesh bag works great. Use this cloth to make a pouch for your chopped weeds. Before sealing it, sprinkle in a bit of wood ash. Wood ash is a superb addition because it's rich in potassium, which is vital for your plant's overall health. Potassium helps with water regulation, disease resistance, and is essential for strong flower and fruit development. It also contains calcium, which helps strengthen cell walls, leading to sturdier plants. Now, take a 5-gallon bucket and fill it with rainwater or any non-chlorinated water. Chlorine can kill the beneficial microorganisms that help break down the weeds, so make sure your water is free from it. Place the pouch of weeds and wood ash into the bucket, ensuring it's fully submerged. If you don't have a pouch, you can put the weeds directly into the water, but using a pouch makes the process easier since you won't have to strain the liquid later. Let the mixture sit for about 2 weeks. During this time, the weeds will decompose and release their nutrients into the water, while the wood ash will dissolve, further enriching the tea. You might notice a strong odor as the weeds break down. That's perfectly normal and just means the process is working. After 2 weeks, remove the pouch from the bucket. If you didn't use a pouch, strain the liquid to remove any solid bits. The resulting liquid is your nutrient-rich weed tea ready to boost your plants. Before applying it, dilute the tea with water at a ratio of 1 part weed tea to 10 parts water. This is important because the tea is quite concentrated and can be too strong for your plants if used undiluted. Once diluted, use it to water your plants, giving them a nourishing boost that promotes healthy growth. Using a mix of weeds in your tea is advantageous because each weed brings its unique set of nutrients. By combining them, you create a well-rounded fertilizer that addresses various nutrient needs in your garden. The wood ash adds an extra benefit, especially by increasing potassium levels, which supports healthy flowering and fruiting. This weed tea is a fantastic way to turn garden waste into something incredibly beneficial for your plants. Plus, using rainwater or non-chlorinated water ensures that all the beneficial microbes remain active, helping your garden thrive even more. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more gardening tips, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos.